Hello traders, the major is here. So today we gave some signals today. So I want to quickly show you guys what I was looking at, like the reason I took those signals and the reason I was so certain, okay, why I placed a certain support at a certain level and SL and stuff like that. Okay, so if you're new on our channel, kindly hit the like button and leave some good comments. Okay, please don't forget to join our free Telegram channel, okay, for more updates. And I promise you guys, we'll start dropping free signals on the free channel. Okay, this is certain. We start dropping free signals on the free channel. Okay, so I want you guys to quickly hit the like button, subscribe, and please don't just join the free Telegram channel. Okay, so today we gave signal on VIX100. We also gave signal on VIX100 and VIX75 and VIX10. Those three signals, right? Though we missed a lot of signals today, but there's no problem. Yeah, we still have enough time to, we have tomorrow's another day. Okay, so yeah, you can see right here on, let's start with the VIX 100. Okay, this is VIX 100, sorry. Okay, so this is VIX 100. Now you can see right from this level here, I woke up this morning and I saw price around this level. Then I wasn't too sure because of the candlesticks I was seeing at this very level here. So I decided to just let go. I decided to let go of the market until I get proper confirmation. So when I later checked my chart and I realized that price has created a double top at this very point. Remember, this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. It is a downtrend because you can see even a 5-year-old child should know that this is a downtrend. Okay, you can see price moving from this level here down to this level, right? And yeah, and it has been creating these structures here. So price went up to this level again and created the same structure. It has been creating from here to here, here to here to here. Sorry guys, I'm not feeling too well for this now. Here from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. So it went back to this level and I'm supposed to find an entry at that very point. So when I woke up and I realized that price has gotten went below this very point. Okay, and this is a double top, like I said earlier. This is a double top chart pattern. So when I realized that's a double top chart pattern, since I could not, sorry, I'm coming. Since I could not sell it at this point, I didn't see it when price was at this very point. I decided to wait for price to break this neckline. Okay, for price to break this is called neckline. We call it neckline, this level here. You can see this line I placed here when I saw price at this point. So when I saw price at this, sorry, sorry guys. So sorry, okay. So when I saw price at this very point, let me delete this, okay? Or let me expand, let me delete it, okay? So when I saw price at this very point, what I did was to move down to lower time frame, the 15 minutes time frame. So I moved to 15 minutes time frame. I was actually looking for a break of this neckline, this support level here. And I didn't want to wait for a retest, because normally when you're trading a double top chart patterns, you must wait for price to break this neckline, then comes up to this level again, which is the neckline, to retest before dropping, right? But I couldn't wait because I had so many confirmations. Remember, yeah, I had so many confirmations on the higher time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame. You can see the first candlestick, the first top here and the second top here. And remember, your first top should always, if you are taking a double top chart pattern, the first top should be higher than the second top. You can see here that the first top is higher than the second top. Okay, right? You can see the first top is higher than the second top, and price went up, and there was a confirmation here, sell confirmation, which is that red candlestick you're seeing right there. Okay, which is this red candlestick here. Then it was after this red candlestick price started dropping. Okay, so I saw it around this level, but I could not take it because this is kind of support. So I was just looking for price to just kind of just break the support somehow for me to sell at that very point. And exactly what I was looking for happened. So I went down to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, I went down to 15 minutes time frame, and the level was broken. I saw at this very point, and I gave the signal. Okay, so I had so many confirmations. That's why I could not wait for the retest to happen before giving the signal. Remember, this is a downtrend. The price went up to this level again to drop. It has broken this neckline, and this is a double top. So that is about 3 confirmations. Okay, so yeah, that's 3 confirmations. That was the reason I dropped the signal. Okay, and our entry was this very point, and we had TP1 around this level here. After our TP1 price started pushing up, then after the TP1, our TP2 was somewhere here. Yes, I know price will be dropping. I knew price will be dropping below this very point here. Our TP2 was somewhere here, and we did hit TP1 and 2, as you can see, and price is about to break this line. Once this line is broken, I'll be waiting for a retest at this very point. Let me show you guys. I'll be waiting for a retest at this very point. This line is broken. Price comes down up to this level here. Retest this level before dropping. And as it's dropping, I'll be expecting price to still respect this line one more time. Again, probably respect this line. Okay, so I'll be expecting price to drop back to this line. This level here, from this level to this level, looks very tiny, very small, but you know, this is almighty VIX100, and it's very, very volatile. So from here, if I'm making my entry at this point, from this very point here, and my SL somewhere here, so you can see that's a good risk to reward ratio, right? That's about 4.5 risk to reward ratio. Okay. If we hit SL from here to this level, that means we lose just 1%. And then if we can hit our TP from this level to this level, that means we make 5 times of what we are about to lose at this very point. So that is how to trade, so that even when you're losing like a particular trade, or like you pick 3 trades in a day, you lose 2, you still have a chance of winning that same day because of your good risk to reward ratio. Okay, so let's also check the VIX10. Okay, VIX10, I've been waiting for VIX10 to break this level for a very long time. Okay, that's very level on a daily time frame for a very long time. And I just noticed this level was broken earlier today. Okay, was it today or tomorrow? I don't know. So on a lower time frame, after the breakout, I expect price to drop back to this very point again, because it's a very strong level. You can see on the daily time frame here. On the daily time frame, this is a very strong level. This is a key level here. You can see how price struggled several times to break this level, days, weeks to break this level before this level was broken. So once a level like this is broken, price comes back to retest that level, and this is called the last kiss catalyst chart pattern. This is the last kiss chart pattern. Most people doesn't know. I'm a naked trader. What I mean by naked trader, like I trade the raw, like the empty, the naked charts, okay, without those indicators, right? So as a naked trader, there are some things you know and others doesn't know. Okay, so this is the last kiss chart pattern. It's one of the catalysts that I love trading so much. Okay, so price broke this level, came back to this level. Then on the lower time frame, I knew price would be pushing back, pushing away from this level. Yeah, I knew price would be pushing away from this level after touching this line. So I gave the signal, and my TP1 and 2 was, I gave up to 3 TPs because there were some other blocks while price was pushing rally to the upside. There were some other blocks, so I had to respect the other block and pick those other blocks as my TPs. Okay, as my TPs. So yeah, you can see this. If you place your trend line from this level here to this level here, that's we have this an uptrend. So price was around this level, then I gave the signal. Price hit our TP1, our TP2 was somewhere here, just here. The price could not touch the TP2, then drop down to this support level again. Though I'm still expecting price to push up, but it might not push up because since price failed to go above this other line, it's likely to drop below. So I must be extremely careful so that I don't jump into the market and lose money. I don't want to lose money because last week was really bad. It wasn't a good week at all. Okay, so that's it for VIX10. Yeah, for VIX10 and our entry. Let me tell you the candlestick that gave us the entry. Good. This was the candlestick, this green candlestick you have here. The green candlestick you have here was the reason we gave the entry. Okay, was the reason for the entry. After this green candlestick, I opened a position at this point and I gave the signal. Our TP1 was somewhere here, and TP2 was just above this level there, and we could not trigger the level 2, the TP2, and price dropped. So price might drop down below this level. Why? Because on the daily time frame, I'm so sorry, this video might be long. Yeah, on the daily time frame, we have this is daily. Yes. So on the daily time frame, there's a trend like this. There's one trend here. There's a trend here. Okay. You can see the trend. Okay, can you see that, right? So price might want to respect this channel, this descending channel, and want to drop back again. Okay, so we need to be extremely careful. That's why I wanted to give the signal again for people to buy again at this very point, but I'm not too certain if price will respect this level again. But I just want to respect the market's the price action. Okay, so I'll just let go and see what happens next. If we see some bearish rejection at this level on the lower time frame, then I'll definitely give the buy signal again. Okay, so price might drop back to this point. That's why I don't want to give the signal for now. Might drop back to this point again in future, but I'm still expecting price to push above this line even. Okay, or push back to this level one more time. Okay, so that's that for VIX10. Then we also give signal VIX75, almighty VIX75. Yeah, VIX75. This was our entry. Our entry was somewhere here. We hit TP1. We have our TP2 is somewhere here, this line here. So you can see where we dropped from this very point. From this very point, price will be dropping back again because what it's doing now is coming back to retest this level here. I'm expecting price to respect this level before dropping back again to this support line. Okay, then yeah, right now that's what I'm expecting. Sorry, I'm expecting price to drop down to this level again, then maybe even break this level. Okay, because this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. You can see that's a downtrend. So I'm expecting price to drop below this level in future or maybe tomorrow. Okay, so that's it. I would love you guys to join my VIP. I'm running a discount right now. Join my VIP, chat me up and all that, right? So we dropped 3 signals today. Basically, we drop 3 to 6 high probability signals every day. Okay, every day, only high probability signals. So we have over 85 to 90 winning rates. Okay, so VIX25, yeah, we missed this setup. Okay, so I'm still sorry, I'm still expecting price to push above this resistance level to this level tomorrow. Okay, so we missed this entry today. I placed this line. I was waiting for price to go above this line, this red line here, this trend line, and probably retest the trend line for us to make an entry. So let's see what happened on the lower time frame, where price respected their analysis. If price did drop to retest that very support level. Okay, so you can see this line was broken, the red line was broken, price went above the line, then returned and retested the level, although we cannot really see it properly on the 30 minutes time frame. So let's move down to 15 minutes time frame to confirm if to see if there was a proper confirmation for Okay, so you can see this level was broken, price went above, return, and retested this level. Down, look at this candlestick price printed on the chart. The candlestick that was printed on this chart, you can see this is a very sweet entry here. Okay, at this very point, this will be my signal. This very candlestick, this green candlestick here, is supposed to be my signal. After this candlestick, I'll just open an entry at this very point. I'll call the trade at this very point. My SL should be a few pips below the low of this very candlestick, green candlestick, and my TP is the nearest resistance at this very point. Okay, so that would have been a good setup for us, but then I couldn't see, maybe I was sleeping. Okay, so I didn't see the setup, and so I'm still expecting price to break this level here. When price break this level, guys, this is how to trade. Once this level is broken, you must wait for price to retest that level. There must be a retest. Price goes up, back, then to the nearest resistance. So that's how to trade, guys. That's a secret. Okay, you must always wait for a retest. It's a must. Okay, if you want to be a successful trader and well disciplined, you must always wait for price to break a certain level, retest that level for you to make your entry. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be dropping a video, like kind of expo, kind of an update for some assets. I'll pick some assets, then talk about them on a higher time frame for you guys to look out to know exactly the market direction. So the main thing here is for you to know the market direction, and you follow the direction, you make your profits, right? So here VIX100, I don't know what it's doing. I'm waiting for price to break either this up here or down, this down line here. So I'm waiting for price to break either up or down. This line must be broken, then price must move away from this descending channel for me to make my entry. Okay, so that'll be all for today. Tomorrow, don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be learning. Price action is the key. Price action is key. If you want to be successful, you want to have a high winning rate. Okay, you want to be a good trader. Trust me, all you need is price action. Okay, price action, not the indicators. Indicators helps, but trust me, they repent at a time. So let's us join the winning team. You can join the VIP, join our mentorship program. Okay, join the academy. Let's learn and grow together. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.